Hey, get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. No, no, no. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Move to the side. Stay there. Listen. I'm going to tell you who I am. Okay, you want to know who I am?
Kill Tommy.
Alright.
You killed Tommy.
You stay here. Thomas,
You killed Tommy.
come over here. Thomas, right. Thomas, come over here. I need you to snipe. Come over here. Move to the side. Move to the side.
Okay.
Okay? Where's Thomas? Stay there. You stay there. You stay there.
Here you go.
Thanks for the axe.
Alright.
Go snipe on the side.
You got it. Go and get it!
I'm gonna ask you some simple questions. Why do you take so much drugs? Why do you drink so much alcohol? Do you think that's normal? Think it's normal? You know what? Get over here. Over here.
Okay.
Get over here. Get over here. Okay. Now, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? Something's wrong with me.
Come over here. Come over. You want to push me? Push me. Get over here. Come on. I want to see you play.
Oh, you got it.
You want to fight me? I want to see you fight me. Want to see you fight me. Man, you need some sensitivity. Come on. Come on.
Miss me.
Miss you, yeah. Everything ends with a crazy ending, right?
No. Yeah, it does.
You shoot me?
Yeah, actually. Why? Traitor.
I'm a traitor. Come on, man. What you got?
What I got?
Yeah, what do you got?
My weapon.
Come on, man. Come on, man.